Hello, I am Saurabh. Welcome you all to another episode of NPS Ki Pathshala. We have discussed about various features and benefits related to NPS in our videos. We discussed in one of the videos that investing in NPS is a long-term process, whereby investing for a long period, you are able to accumulate adequate corpus for your pension. And keeping all of this in mind, limited withdrawal options have been kept in NPS. But apart from retirement, there are many other short-term needs in our lives like children's education, family holidays, festival expenses, etc., for which we need to plan as well. In NPS, along with retirement planning investment, there is an option of investing to cater these short-term needs available too. In NPS, for retirement planning, investment is done in Tier 1 account, and for these short-term needs, you can invest in Tier 2 account. We have talked about Tier 1 account features in different videos. Today in this video, we will talk about features of Tier 2 account and its associated benefits. And to talk on this subject, I have with me my senior colleague Shri Mandaji. Sir, welcome to NPS Ki Pathshala.
Thank you.
Sir, please tell us about NPS Tier 2 account in detail. This question is often asked in our investor awareness seminars by government employees. That is there a facility like GPF in NPS also, in which we can invest whenever we want and withdraw according to a need?
You're right, Saurabh. NPS is such a unique platform which fulfills your long-term and short-term needs. Tier 2 provides somehow similar facility like GPF to government employees. They can activate their Tier 2 account and invest money whenever they want and withdraw money anytime according to their need.
Sir, how can this Tier 2 account be opened?
Saurabh, Tier 2 account is associated with NPS account. When you open the NPS account, by default, Tier 1 account gets opened. If the subscriber wants, he can activate Tier 2 account with Tier 1 or activate it later. But keep in mind, to activate Tier 2 account, it is mandatory for subscriber to have active Tier 1 account. It is very easy to activate Tier 2 account. Subscriber can activate it online within few minutes. For that, the subscriber needs to go to our ENPS website www.enps.nsdl.com. Subscriber can activate the Tier 2 account with help of OTP after submitting the required details. Please remember, you will have to upload the scanned image of PAN card and cancelled check. Hence, please keep it ready while activating Tier 2 account. Tier 2 activation facility is also available on our mobile app. For this, you need to download NPS mobile app. Your office can also activate your Tier 2 account. You can also get your Tier 2 account activated by visiting your nearest POP.
Sir, you told us how to activate Tier 2 account. Now please tell us how to invest in Tier 2 account. Is it done like in Tier 1 account or in some other manner?
On the similar lines of Tier 1, where subscriber can select fund manager and scheme, in Tier 2 also, subscriber has an option to select fund manager and scheme. You can even change it later if you wish. You can keep different scheme preferences for Tier 1 and Tier 2. Not only this, you can also keep separate bank details and nomination details for Tier 1 and Tier 2 account.
Sir, you told us about what is a Tier 2 account, how can it be activated, and you also told us about its investment benefits. But there is a question in my mind. Why invest in Tier 2 account when I have more options available for short-term investment?
What you said is also right, Saurabh. But as I said earlier, NPS is such a unified platform where your pension needs and short-term investment both are taken care of. If you want, you can invest money elsewhere also. But you will need to open and maintain a separate account for it. And of course, there will be some charges for it. But in NPS Tier 2, as overall administrative charges are lower, you can get more returns by investing in Tier 2. Saurabh, you must have noticed also that Tier 2 has generated good returns till now. And that's why Tier 2 is much attractive investment option in comparison to any other investment options.
Sir, you told us that we can withdraw any time from Tier 2. But how will this withdrawal happen?
Withdrawal from Tier 2 is completely online. Subscriber needs to log in to CRA system and can withdraw money from Tier 2 with the help of an OTP. Subscribers can also withdraw lump sum or scheme-wise if they wish to. Subscribers can make a lump sum withdrawal for a specific amount or can withdraw the entire corpus amount. In scheme-wise withdrawal, subscriber can withdraw money according to his need from any particular scheme. For example, if equity scheme has performed well, then he can withdraw only from the equity scheme. And not only this, if you want, you can transfer money from Tier 2 account to Tier 1 account anytime. This would increase your corpus in Tier 1 account that would help you in getting more pension. Similar to Tier 1, subscriber can take Tier 2 services also through NPS mobile app, like contribution in Tier 2, change in investment option, withdrawal, etc.
Thank you, sir, for explaining us in detail about various features and benefits of Tier 2 account. I hope that all our viewers will take the benefit from it and get their Tier 2 accounts activated.
Saurabh, please remember to tell the government employees about the benefits of Tier 2 account in our next investor seminar so that they can also activate Tier 2 accounts and get the benefits by investing in it. And why only government employees? Any subscriber can take the benefit of Tier 2.
That's all in this video, friends. If you liked our initiative, then please subscribe to our channel and like this video.